2024 Santa Fe Calligraphy versus 2024 Grand Highlander Limited. Fight! If you're drawn to the Toyota Highlander SUV, but feel that it isn't quite big enough for your family, the 2024 Grand Highlander might be the answer you're looking for. It earns its grand naming convention, not for its style, features, or luxury appointments, but because it's a stretch version of the current Highlander. We don't know what Hyundai's design department had for breakfast when they formulated the new boldly boxy look of the 2024 Santa Fe, but we hope there's more of it on that buffet. The new Santa Fe is as wildly different from the old model as granola is from scrambled eggs. The new one gains a third row with more rear cargo space and legroom. The Santa Fe's recent enlargement is to attract outdoorsy folk. The Grand Highlander is equipped with a 2.4-liter inline-4 turbo that comes with 265 ponies and 310 pound-feet of torque. Its MPG rating is 21 city and 28 highway with a driveline of all-wheel drive. For transmission, it offers an 8-speed automatic with a payload of 1,455 pounds. MSRP is $53,795. The Santa Fe Calligraphy comes with a 2.5-liter inline-4 turbo, offering 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. The MPG rating is 20 city and 29 highway, but it comes with front-wheel drive as standard. For transmission, it comes with an 8-speed DCT automatic. Its payload is 1,191 pounds with an MSRP of $46,500. In comparison to the Santa Fe Calligraphy, the Grand Highlander Limited pros include panoramic moonroof, panoramic view monitor, comes with standard all-wheel drive and rear-cooled seats, which is always nice for passengers in hot sunny days, auto rear climate controls, JBL sound system, bigger cargo capacity, and 7 passenger seating capacity. The cons include bland exterior design. The engine has less power than the Santa Fe. Even in the limited trim, automatic parking is unavailable. It has smaller rim size, only one wireless phone charger, and less speakers than Santa Fe, even though it is much bigger. On the other hand, the pros of the Santa Fe includes more power with a dual clutch transmission, standard wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bose sound system, sterilization compartment, rear climate control for third row, onboard Wi-Fi, and 5-year 60,000-mile basic warranty, as well as 10 years 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. For its cons, it has less cargo capacity than the Grand Highlander, less third row room, which is to be expected, all-wheel drive is non-standard surprisingly, and panoramic moonroof is unavailable. In summary, the brand new Santa Fe is sleeker and more modernized than ever. Although it has a cheaper price, it's not as lacking as you would think. The engine is as peppy as it gets for a mid-sized SUV. The interior is luxury, and the vehicle comes with an abundance of tech features. The Grand Highlander, on the other hand, does cost more, and it's not as sleek interior or exterior wise, but it still comes with a lot of tech features and has more interior room. Yeah, the engine is not as powerful and has the same MPG rating as the Santa Fe, but it still has Toyota reliability. Vote now. Comment down below for the Santa Fe Calligraphy, or like this video for the Grand Highlander Limited, and we will see which one is a better vehicle.